The Ukrainian army has started using a new form of drone attacks, and we can't say that we've seen this before. A Ukrainian drone carrying a combustible mixture, literally burning Russian positions in a tree line. Drone Flametrower. Swedish 155mm self-propelled howitzer Archer destroys Russian 122mm MLRS BM-21 Grad in Donetsk region. Video of the Ukrainian 45th Separate Artillery Brigade. Destruction of a dugout with Russian infantry by FPV drone. Video by Comanche of the 40th Airborne Brigade. On the night of September 2nd, Russian forces attacked Kiev with ballistic missiles, targeting the Ukrainian capital in several waves. The Kiev military administration reported that air defense systems successfully intercepted more than a dozen cruise missiles and around 10 ballistic missiles over the city. Debris from the missiles was recorded falling in several districts, including Holosivsky, Sviatoshinsky, Dniprovsky, and Shevchenkivsky. Some of the debris caused fires at the impact sites. In the Holosivsky district, a boiler house was partially destroyed, and glass elements at the entrance to the Sviatoshin metro station were also damaged. Please give me 3 5-ton FAB bombs. Why should I struggle with this village? I'll just drop them and move on. Russian experts called to destroy Russian villages in Kursk region.
Михаил слишком как-то легковесно сказал, что вот можем развернуться, идти в наступление, освобождать Курскую землю. Я говорил недавно с командиром полка. Он мне говорит: Виктор Николаевич, вот мне задача взять населенный пункт, в котором 2000 засело боевиков. Вот мне скажут к утру взять этот населенный пункт. Я начинаю обдумывать план операции. Передо мной широченное 100-метровое плотное минное поле. Его надо убрать. Или мне послать своих бойцов, чтобы их порвало там до кишок. Идем дальше. Они уже успели оборудовать опорные пункты. Доты, дзоты, там долговременные точки. Они уже не стесняются, прилюдно привозят плиты бетонные, уважаемые. Зеленский запросил, не забывайте, 27 экскаваторов, они все там пашут. Так вот, скажите, пожалуйста, а я бы решил эту проблему по-ходоренковски, если он говорит, что легко. Я бы обратился к авиаторам, говорю: ну подгоните мне, пожалуйста, 3 ФАБа 5-тонника. Че я буду мучиться с этим селом? Да? Бросил и пошел дальше.
Putin has officially arrived in Mongolia. Human Rights Watch has called on the Mongolian authorities to arrest Putin. The organization reminded that in June, Mongolia declared its steadfast support for the International Criminal Court. Since this year, a Mongolian judge, Erdenes Balsurin Damdin, has been serving at the court. HRW urged Ulaanbaatar to either deny Putin entry or arrest him on its territory. Former convict Artur Khrushchev, who fought in Storm Z, has been arrested in the Leningrad region of the Russian Federation. He stabbed a girl to death for calling him a fool. In April 2023, Khrushchev was sentenced to 9 years in prison for the murder of his friend. But he was released after being recruited into Storm Z and sent to a war zone in Ukraine. This is just awesome. And for the end, a really cool story. Starliner crew reports hearing strange, sonar-like noises emanating from their craft. This is the real audio of it.
Houston on 2, got a question about Starliner.
Houston's with you, Butch. Go ahead.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker, and I didn't know if you could connect into the Starliner and let me keep mic and let you hear. I don't know what's making it, but I don't know if it's something that maybe is connected between here and there, making that happen. But anyway, can you do that?
We can configure that, Butch. Give us a minute, and I'll call you back when it's ready.
Okay.
Station Houston on 2. We're configured for audio via hardline and CST. If you want to give us a call.
Okay, I'm in Starliner, and how do you read?
555. How many?
Okay, I'm gonna keep the mic up next to the speaker.
Copy.
Hear that?
At negative, Butch, we did not hear anything.
That.
All right, Butch, that one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping.
Yeah, I'll do it one more time, and I'll let y'all scratch your heads and see if you figure out what's going on. Here we go. All right, over to you. Tell us if you figure it out.
Yep, good recording. Thanks, Butch. We will pass it on to the team and let you know what we find. And Butch, just to make sure I'm on the same page, this is emanating from the speaker in Starliner. You don't notice anything else, any other noises, any other weird configs in there? Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.